Hello, everyone. My name is Monday, and I'm one of the alumni that graduated through the CircuitStream Unity 3D Game Development Bootcamp. I've also taken XR Dev or CircuitStream as well as the C# programming course, and I'm currently one of the student ambassadors. Prior to taking this bootcamp course, the biggest kind of study similar to this that I had taken was XR Dev. But I did have prior experience, as most people do, of struggling and failing through Unity and Unreal from looking at tutorials and just trying to figure it out online. And really, that's what brought me to this bootcamp specifically. The main thing that jumped out to me about this course that kind of helped with that decision was the depth that they went into a lot of those more advanced techniques within Unity, or really techniques that people kind of shy away from. What you see here is actually the project that me and my team started during the beginning of the bootcamp at our midterm project and have now continued outside of bootcamp. What it is, it's a VR first-person shooter that encompasses elements of tower defense, battle royale type of gameplay, as well as like standard matchmaking and also some like King of the Hill elements. You know, in my current kind of everyday day-to-day, I do a lot of optimization and debugging and looking at error logs and consoles and troubleshooting other people's scripts. So, you know, when we got to that section of the bootcamp, I was really able to apply it kind of one-to-one of what I'm doing in my current job and role. I was able to make a project team that carried through the whole boot camp, and even outside of the boot camp we've continued working on our projects. And again, those were some connections that I probably wouldn't have made or would have taken longer to make if I didn't do this boot camp. So if anyone is out there on the fence about this boot camp or any of the CircuitStream programs, you know, definitely reach out to the student support team and just career services. They can answer a lot of questions for you. But more than anything, you know, I think going through these programs, you learn very quickly that you are learning a lot very fast, but you're applying it as you learn it. I hope I see you all in one of the courses. And again, you know, I can't say it enough, but that Unity Bootcamp was something amazing, and I really recommend it for anybody who's looking for a career in game development.